Today is the day that you harvest for the first time because today you will not need to learn anything new. No new vocabulary, no new sentences, but instead,
you will hear 40 sentences
you haven't heard before, and I guarantee you, you can understand each one of them if you learned lesson 1 to 5. Let's first review the vocabulary from lesson 1 to 5. This is a little quiz. You should understand these words with the speed that is playing. And if there are more than 5 that you don't understand, it's a sign that you need to go back and repeat that lesson. And if you're enjoying this video right now, please give me a like because that would really motivate me a lot.
你好冷热高兴伤心爸爸妈妈工作电脑房子贵忙公司远学校近天气今天春天美公园芒果不太甜德国牛奶辣椒电视电影好看看一点也这里狗动物医生老师爱我和生活时间金钱知识力量体验财富是天蓝山绿水清地球圆苹果欧洲有限真的真衣服新车二手
This is the first time you encounter words that look identical. In linguistic terms, they are homonyms, words that have identical spelling and pronunciation while maintaining different meanings. In Chinese, you can differentiate them with the tones, yuan and yuan. But the truth is, the Chinese differentiate them with the context most of the time, even though they're not always conscious about it. These phenomena exist in English too. you can book a table, and you can read a book. That's why we learned these sentences. 学校很远，地球是圆的。地球是圆的 is a fact, while 学校很远 is a status. That the school is far away is only a status from the point of view. It cannot be a simple fact because if you live somewhere else, the school won't be far away anymore. But the fact that the earth is round is a simple fact. That's why the sentence structures are so important for you, especially because you are not learning any characters yet. But we will get to that soon. The vocabulary belongs mostly to two groups: something, so nouns, and how, so adjectives, and words that connect them. We call them links. Using the formulas we've learned from lessons 1 to 5, I will now say 40 new sentences using the vocabulary you have learned and the structures you have learned. And I guarantee you, although you haven't learned these sentences extra, you will understand each one of them. This time, you don't need to learn anything extra. Just listen to these sentences and ask yourself, how many of them can you understand instantly? And if there are things that you don't understand instantly, just pause, look it up, and listen to it again. 这是你的房子吗？这是你的房子吗？柏林的春天很美。柏林的春天很美。欧洲的车不贵。欧洲的车不贵。他是你的老师吗？他是你的老师吗？我是这里的医生。我是这里的医生。这是牛奶吗？这是牛奶吗？你的生活好吗？你的生活好吗？你的爸爸是医生吗？你的爸爸是医生吗？你真的是老师吗？你真的是老师吗？我的工作不太忙。我的工作不太忙。新车贵吗？新车贵吗？我也是老师。我也是老师。今天真的很冷。今天真的很冷。辣椒一点也不辣。辣椒一点也不辣。公园很近。公园很近。芒果一点也不贵。芒果一点也不贵。这是我的生活。这是我的生活。这不是你的生活。这不是你的生活。知识是有限的。知识是有限的。你的衣服很好看。你的衣服很好看。这里的春天不冷。这里的春天不冷。
公园是绿的。公园是绿的。水不太热。水不太热。地球很美。地球很美。牛奶是我的。牛奶是我的。我不太高兴。我不太高兴。你真的伤心吗？你真的伤心吗？这里很热。这里很热。房子是新的。房子是新的。房子是二手的。房子是二手的。天不是蓝的。天不是蓝的。山不是绿的。山不是绿的。公司不是我的。公司不是我的。德国是欧洲的。德国是欧洲的。苹果不是动物。苹果不是动物。柏林也是欧洲的。柏林也是欧洲的。新电视也不贵。新电视也不贵。我的电脑是二手的。我的电脑是二手的。我爱看电影。我爱看电影。爸爸妈妈爱看电视。爸爸妈妈爱看电视。
Now, I want you to do the same. Put this vocabulary into the sentences using whatever structure you like. And whatever combination work for you, you should try it. Put them together and comment below. I know it's intimidating writing down sentences you've never seen before, but this is a process that you truly are building sentences of your own. Don't be afraid to be the firsts. And I guarantee you, as long as there aren't hundreds of thousands comments there, I will answer you and tell you if it's right. And if you belong to those who understand the sentences and you know definitely if it's right or wrong, comment on that comment too. Feel free to interact with each other.
So this is it for the spoken part of the first unit. If you have taken the lessons 1 to 6 seriously, you can now start with the characters with the next lesson.
I'll keep publishing videos both on how to learn Chinese as well as learning materials. I also provide the entire content for free as download material on my website. You can find the link in the description below. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're learning Chinese, make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification button. I'll see you next Friday, and remember, together we can make Chinese easy.